One of my all-time favorite planes is the Boeing 747. This review is what I've dreamt of since I was a little kid, riding upstairs in the original jumbo jet. Today's flight is from Frankfurt, Germany to Vancouver, British Columbia on Lufthansa's 747-400 business class. One thing to note, if you have mobility problems, upstairs is not the place for you. You not only have to climb the stairs, but you also have to carry whatever baggage you brought on board. Because of the tapered shape of the top of the plane, upstairs is not as wide as downstairs, so the configuration is 2 and 2 compared to the main business class cabin downstairs, which is 2, 3 and 2. Overall, there is plenty of room, and I recommend the window seats upstairs as you have a shelf beside you, which is perfect for additional clothes, books, headphones, or whatever. Power is a universal outlet that works without any adapters. There is a pull-out storage compartment with a bottle of water and an amenity kit consisting of the standard socks, eye mask, earplugs, lip balm, and dental kit. After a pre-takeoff drink of either orange juice or champagne, we taxi for takeoff. This 747 has a great new flight show featuring various different angles of the flight as well as the telemetry. Once in the air, it's time to take a look at the business class menu as well as the duty-free catalog. Lufthansa's international business class has an extensive selection of champagne, different wines, and different liqueurs. Service starts with a cocktail of your choice and some bagged cashews. My choice of appetizer, the prawns with potato salad and tomato jelly. Followed by my entree, the herb and curry crusted grouper. And for dessert, a cheese plate and fruit. The cheese was a little bit dry though. But overall, the food on this flight was tasty and the service was very good. After the meal service, it's time to check out the lay flat seats. Another advantage to the window seat upstairs, you get almost unlimited legroom compared to the aisle seat. You can also control the seat's firmness in the controls, allowing for a very comfortable rest. The in-flight entertainment is controlled by a small remote, which has a touch-sensitive swipe pad to make your selections. The system is very intuitive and easy to use, and the amount of new English and international programming is plenty. Since there aren't as many seats and the foot traffic is limited to those upstairs, the experience is very serene up top. And the fact that you're higher and more forward of the engines, it's much quieter than other cabins that I've flown in. 90 minutes prior to landing, a light lunch of potato stew and salad is served. One thing about Lufthansa, they always have great bread, and I highly recommend the roll with the baked-on cheese. If you ever find yourself booking Lufthansa's business class in their 747, I highly recommend that you sit upstairs if you can. You won't regret it. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more everyday reviews, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.